Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT X18 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see in the device administration section on the second position, we've got unknown sources. So in order to allow the installation of apps from unknown sources, just tap on the switcher here. Right now we've got the info, the warning that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because third-party apps aren't verified by the developers, so they may cause some problems and make your device more vulnerable to attack by apps and so on and so on. So just tap on OK if you are ready, and as you can see right now this option is active, so your device will allow some apps to install some content. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to, just tap on the switcher again. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your CUBOT X18. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.